Juxtaposition is a very common literary technique. More than likely, you're going to need to be able to identify and write about juxtaposition in your coursework or exam. Juxtaposition is where an author places two ideas or images next to each other to create a specific effect. This might be things like wealth and poverty, dreams versus reality, or humans against nature. Let's think about some examples. We'll start with Charles Dickens's novel Hard Times, which starts with "It was the best of times, it was the worst of times," and a number of other juxtapositions in that opening paragraph. Now, what he's trying to draw our attention to is the duality of his times. At once, it was a time of incredible progress, and at the same time, it was a time of immense suffering and trouble. We see really central use of juxtaposition in other texts too, such as Of Mice and Men by John Steinbeck and Willie Russell's Blood Brothers. In Of Mice and Men, Steinbeck juxtaposes the dreams of the men, their dreams for a better life, their dreams of self-determination and independence, against the harsh, brutal reality of their existence on the farm. In Willie Russell's Blood Brothers, the whole text is centered around a juxtaposition between the life of a working class boy and the life of a middle class boy. Russell uses the separation of twins to allow this juxtaposition to really clearly happen. So that's the power of juxtaposition. Yes, it is about highlighting difference, but also that difference is used to make a point, to create a specific effect. Dickens uses it to highlight the nature of his time. Steinbeck uses it to draw our attention to the hollowness of the American dream, and Willie Russell uses it to draw our attention to the effects of class inequality. So, juxtaposition places two ideas or images next to each other to create a specific effect. Think about the text that you're reading or studying at the moment, and see if you can identify some juxtaposition, and also go further and identify its effect. Drop a comment with your ideas.